Hello, just wanted to show you my new camera bag. It's not your traditional camera bag, it's actually a Gymshark bag, but it's got loads of pockets. So I'll just show you what I put inside it. So here is everything that I want to try and fit into this bag, but first let me show you the pockets. So there's one here, there's this one here, which also has another pocket inside. And then once you open up these clips and open this, it fully opens, and then there's another pocket here and one here. What I like to do is I bought this little lens protector from Amazon, so I put that inside, put both of my lenses in here, and then my gimbal fits nicely on the side. My camera fits on top here. I can zip that back up. And then do up these clips. The good thing about those is now when I open my bag, when I'm wearing it, I can just open up the top so I don't have to fully open the zips down. In this pocket here, I can put my National Trust book, my spare mic, and the cable for my power bank. And then in this pocket, my actual power bank and my phone also fits in there. And then I keep this one here to put the lens covers while I'm using the lenses, so because I don't want to lose those. And then you can also make it look pretty by putting a little pin badge on there. I think it's great.